Hey guys, Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to go over the AKSA E1000 Bluetooth gaming headset here that is equipped with a nice microphone that's got RGB, a long-lasting battery, and a number of different cables here to optimize if you want to go wireless or if you even want to line in via USB or 3.5mm jack. It's got 7.1 surround sound, ultra low latency, 2.4 gig wireless connectivity through USB 3.0, a nice earmuffs and C-clamp here to be able to adjust to all sizes, shapes, and heads. Very comfortable, and I really like the LED lights that definitely set the mood here for gaming, long sessions, or even in your normal workflow. With that said, this gaming headset was provided to me complimentary and this video is sponsored. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Let's unbox this, demonstrate it, and show you what you're getting yourself into. It can connect to PlayStation, Xbox, even Nintendo Switch. That integrates in their new calling and obviously on your PC. You have a number of different connection options here to choose from, including wired, wireless, and Bluetooth, which makes it really nice. It comes with a number of cables here and also charging through USB Type-C. Here is your wireless fob, low latency wireless fob. You've also got connectivity here through 3.5mm jack, which is nice. And then here is the K1000. I really like how lightweight it is, yet very sturdy and professional feeling. You can see the bridge here is nice and thick. It does have the direction that's going to be obvious to show you, but it does have lots of support. It is pretty flexible here, and it allows to stretch open to fit the majority of builds and heads. You can see how soft the cups are here, making it really nice to be able to integrate. It's got Dolby surround sound, allowing you to be able to hear those sound effects or listen steadily here in your gaming. And then it's got this built-in sleek microphone that is directional here, making sure that your team can hear your calls. The bottom side here is all the I/O. You got your charging and LED indicator. You've obviously got your line in as well as Bluetooth, and you have ENC, which is nice, as well as a toggle for the volume, which is an awesome plus. Press and hold power here to be able to turn it on, and you can see the LEDs start to light up here to match your mood, your lifestyle, you name it. My favorite part here is that the headphones are equipped with the 50mm magnetic neodymium driver to support 7.1 surround sound. You'll have to download the driver here specifically if you want to enable it, and it's compatible with Windows 10 and 11. The ENC button here is used to toggle between mic on and mic off. Double click for switching between 2.4G and Bluetooth, and then if you press and hold for 5 seconds, this is what enables your Bluetooth pairing. If you wanted to turn it on, you press and hold the power button, press it once to play and to pause, press it twice to toggle between turning on the LED lights and turning them off. I like how the LED lights not only light up around the perimeter here, but also the symbol of the unit itself. Okay, I'm here on location. This is my PC and I've got my headset connected. There's the 2.4 hertz fob if you want to connect wirelessly that way, or you can connect through Bluetooth, which is nice, allowing you to have full customization and control over the audio. It's really nice and comfortable. Placing the C-clamp and head muffs over my ears. It does give you some noise cancellation, although you can activate it if you want to get some of those other frequencies out. The microphone, I think it's really nice. You can put it up if you're not using it. Otherwise, it can be adjusted here in whatever angle feels comfortable to you. And then you can go ahead and continue playing, outputting the audio sound here to your headphones. I think it's a great option. I think it's easy to be able to integrate. Okay, now we're recording from my generic webcam and we are toggling the microphone here, so all the audio that you're hearing is coming directly from the device itself. K1000 does a good job getting rid of any of the background noise and being able to beef up the treble and also the clarity in your voice, making sure that your players, your companions, or anyone who's randomly listening to you can hear you in really good high quality, especially if you're gaming or you
wanting to make content.
With that said, I found that these headphones are very comfortable here. I think that the surround sound is really nice on Windows, especially for those that like to game. I think the microphone is great, being able to adjust it here perfectly and being able to test that it looks great. It's lightweight. It does support long gaming sessions here, and I think the LED lights are a really nice addition here to the ambiance and mood. I did have a few issues here with the 2.4G connection. You have to make sure that the dongle does have a direct connection here. If something's in the way, or if you put the dongle behind your PC, it may have connection issues. Otherwise, you can line in or connect through Bluetooth, which is a fine option there as well. With that said, these headphones I think are sleek. They match your lifestyle. I think they're good for gaming. They're obviously good for casual or professional use. They're really sleek on the head. They're nice and durable, lightweight, and long lasting. With that said, this was provided to me complimentary. This video is sponsored. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.